Complete the following installation with the door open. Make sure the latch is inserted in the proper direction with the up arrow pointing up. To extend the latch to 2 3/4, hold the latch with your left hand. Rotate and pull the latch extension plate all the way out. Once extended, rotate the cylinder back to the original aligned position. Insert the deadbolt latch into the door. Make sure the faceplate sits flush on the door. Do not force the latch. Using the 2 screws provided, screw the latch into the door. Do not use a drill, only a handheld screwdriver. Important: the deadbolt latch must be retracted during installation. Install the exterior assembly onto the door while guiding the control wire under the latch. Important: the tail piece must go through the latch in the vertical position. Remove the battery cover by sliding the cover upward. Remove the screw holding the mounting plate to the interior assembly. Route the control wire through the slot in the mounting plate. Place the mounting plate against the door and secure to the exterior assembly using provided screws. Carefully insert the control wire into the wire connector. Make sure the connector dots and the wire dots are both on the same facing. Do not force. Important: make sure the knob is in the vertical position. Insert the vertical position tailpiece into the interior assembly and carefully push the interior assembly against the door. Be careful not to pinch the control wire during assembly. Using provided screws, attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate. Do not over-tighten. Insert 4 AA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment. The lock motor will engage and do a series of locking and unlocking motions to determine the handing of the door. Complete the following installation with your door open. To convert to the proper distance, pull or push the extension plate to the required size. Insert the latch into the door. Important: the latch plunger always faces the inside of the room. Using the 2 screws provided, screw the latch into the door. Do not use a drill, only a handheld screwdriver. Make sure the faceplate sits flush on the door. Do not force the latch. Insert the exterior assembly onto the door with the control wire going through the latch. Connect the control wire to the wire connector. Important: make sure the black lines on the connector heads line up. Push the excess wire into the interior assembly and insert the screws to attach the interior lever. Install the batteries and the cover. This electronic lock requires 4 high-quality AAA alkaline batteries. Tighten the battery cover screw. When all 4 batteries are installed in the correct position, you should hear 2 beeps and the thumbprint will illuminate green. Remove the protective film. Pairing the deadbolt and the lever. The lock must be paired before creating a new administrator code. Wake up the deadbolt. Input the administrator code. The default is 123456 and then press unlock. Input 1 and 8 and then press lock. Input 2 and then press lock. You will hear a short beep and see a blue light. The BLE module is turned on for pairing. Find the hole on the back side of the interior lever. Press with included pin 1 time. You will hear 1 short beep and the interior lever square will light blue, paired with green lights on for both deadbolt and lever. If the batteries from the deadbolt are left out of the battery pack for longer than 20 seconds, the deadbolt and the lever will no longer be paired and communicate. To pair the deadbolt and the lever, insert batteries into the deadbolt. The bio reader will flash red once, green twice, and the deadbolt touchscreen will light up. Place your hand on the lever as seen in the video.